Here I am taking flat brush, palette knife and two sizes of angry brushes. First I moist the canvas board, so I spread a little bit of water under the canvas board and spread it like this with a flat brush size 18. Next, picking some cobalt blue and acrylic colors, mix well for the sky and place it like this on the top of the canvas board. I moist the brush with sufficient of water so that this will help in blending process. Already I uploaded the video for beginners how to blend and various kind of blending with using multicolors, tips and tricks with techniques. Check the video on my channel. Day by day, I will upload Skillshare video for beginners in paintings. These kind of videos will help the paintings lot and improve your skills in paintings. Keep watching, keep following and more importantly, keep practicing. Here I am using only the few colors for the sky. Now the sky becomes ready in little process. The next step, mountain. I need the dark grey acrylic color, so I am picking some phthalo blue with little bit of sap green and a little bit of crimson red. Mix well for the color mixing. Now I can get the dark grey color and taking angle brush size 16 to make the outline of the mountain. And next, using my palette knife for sharpening the mountain's top to shape and sharp it like this. I am going to create a mist effect on the mountains with the same palette knife. This palette knife is helping me a lot to create snow and mist effect on the mountain. This knife is best choice to me, so I prefer to use the same. If you don't have palette knife, you can use angle brush. Just you do like this as I am doing. And using my paletting knife and picking white acrylic colors and spread the snow effecting like this on the top of the mountain. Here is the more sunlight reflections falling, so I am giving more white on the top of the mountains. It will give more realistic look. Here very important, all the right side of the mountain, here is shadows, so I give little dark shades to all the right side of mountains. At last, picking some white acrylic colors and using my flat brush, blend well like this bottom of the mountain. The rest of the painting will be in part 2 in the next video with beautiful scenery. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos day by day. Thanks for watching.